Hydrating Travel Kit. It comes in this mesh bag like this, and what's in here is the Chamomile cleanser, the hydrating toner that has a spray, the Volumizing Moisturizer, which this one, they all have their separate videos so you can see what they do specifically, but the Volumizing Moisturizer is meant to hold moisture in, and it has this moisture seal, which is made to create a barrier on the skin so that your products don't dehydrate. So each one of these are 1/4 ounce products, and they should last you, most of my clients, they last a couple months. The one you're gonna run out of probably first would be the cleanser. Really a small amount goes a long way. This should last you at least, it's a 1 ounce, so it should last you a couple months also, but I do find people run out of that faster than they do anything else. So it's a good way to start with the product, to try it also. And then if you're traveling, these are so easy and so small, last you for your trip. Just throw them in your suitcase. It's so easy. Okay? Thanks so much. Aloha.